2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Wright, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wright, Fort Walton Beach, Destin, Eglin AIR Force Base, Mary Esther, Ocean City, Lake Lorraine, Shalimar, and Cinco de Oro. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Okaloosa, Florida.